but we're trying to find the taco factory. Google Maps says it's right around here. It's one of the places I want to check out their pina coladas and their tacos, and I'm really looking forward to going there and sharing that with you. So it's right around here somewhere. Oh yeah, I'm recording. Yeah, Callie didn't even know I was recording. How's that? Yeah. I think I'm so stressed she probably thought I was talking to myself. Place. Let's go check it out. We're gonna try out their pina colada. So first taste, it's pretty good. This is actually Callie's pina colada. So as long as she's busy doing something, I'm gonna keep drinking it. And maybe she won't notice I've got it. This is really good. This is by far the best one we've had in Cancun so far on this trip. We plan to try it a lot more, but this one's really, really good.
Tell me your second one.
I don't know if you can hear me on this, but so I ordered a beef burrito, a pastor taco, and a campechino beef taco. And Callie ordered a chicken taco and a beef taco. And then we've got some with cheese on all of the stuff. Some chips with salsa, some red hot sauce, some really red green sauce, some limes, and some guacamole. I tried guacamole for the first time in probably 10 years. Last time I had it, I really didn't like it, but you know, this is Mexico. So you almost have to like guacamole if you're in Mexico. So I'm gonna give it a try. You know, it's actually not bad. Look at that burrito, that's huge. That looks so good. Is that the chicken and the beef?
Yeah.
What? What?
Campechano, this is campechano.
What's the campechano?
Campechano y pastor with cheese. This is campechano with cheese, pastor, chicken with cheese, beef with cheese.
And gracias, Oscar. Let's try the El Pastor.
Chicken.
El Pastor with cheese. This is a very, very good taco. So you witnessed it here. I've developed a taste for guacamole that the last time I tried about 10 years ago, I hated it. And Callie apparently loves it. So now I can eat guacamole in Mexico. That's great. And this El Pastor taco is it's almost to die for. so good, I always feel guilty eating it in front of you. I'm sure you're jealous. All right, this is the Camppuccino. Camppuccino, am I saying that right? Camppuccino taco with queso, with cheese. It's got a different flavor to it. I've got to take another bite here. You know what? It's got a really good flavor. I'm not quite sure how to describe it. It's a type of sausage, obviously. But it's a little bit different than what I normally have. But I could definitely eat a few of these. I'm not going to, but I could. And the reason I'm not going to is because on our taco tour to find the best taco, I was really craving a burrito. So I've got this mammoth beef burrito I'm gonna try and eat as well. You guys are just lucky that on this food tour you've got me, because my body was built to eat. I don't have a beach body, okay? I've probably figured that out by now. My body was not built to be on the beach, although I love the beach. My body was built to eat. So, here we go. Cheers. All right, so I ate those are two small tacos. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Those two small tacos were so stuffed that I'm actually starting not feeling full, but kind of on the verge. Where one more small taco would probably be enough for me if I ate some of these chips also. But I've got this monster burrito, so go hard or go home. I'm not giving up. It's good. The wait staff here has been pretty friendly. As you saw, our waiter Oscar, great guy. He was even showing me different things to videotape, offering to let me do it, which was nice. Pointed out the girl that was dancing in the street. This is kind of in an alley off the main road, which is why it's a little bit harder to find. And it's worth getting lost here. The food's good, but the food's a little more expensive here. Okay, so if you're on a budget, maybe not the best place. The price per taco is not bad, but they do have some more expensive stuff like that. Pina colada is really expensive, so even a glass of water is going to set you back 40 pesos. Callie had two small tacos, but they were stuffed full, and she's full. She really liked the chicken one. The beef one, she wasn't overly fussy on, but that may not have necessarily been anything wrong with the taco. She said it just wasn't quite her taste. The pina colada, she is sucking back like somebody who hasn't had water in a month. So I'm thinking she's liking that. Although she said she has had a better pina colada on the resort before. I'm not sure which one of the resorts, but so it's not the best one she's ever had, but it's right up there with them. And then I had my two tacos on Camppuccino, which was very filling and very tasty, and my pastor was also very, very good. And then I had that monster beef burrito, and that just did me in. I am so full, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to walk back to where we have to catch a bus. Maybe we'll catch a cab, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, yeah, so I'd say definitely make the trip to Taco Factory. It's a little bit hard to find, but it's worth the time.